Genesis chapter 1 verses 20 to 23. The fifth day, fish and birds. Then God said, "Let the water be filled with many living things, and let there be birds to fly in the air over the earth." Genesis chapter 1 verse 20. So God created the large sea animals. He created all the many living things in the sea and every kind of bird that flies in the air. And God saw that this was good. Genesis chapter 1 verse 21. God blessed all the living things in the sea and told them to have many babies and fill the seas. And he blessed the birds on land and told them to have many more babies. Genesis chapter 1 verse 22. There was evening, and then there was morning. This was the fifth day. Genesis chapter 1 verse 23.